Once upon a time, there was a man named Pilipinas, but was mostly known as Philip. He is popularly known in their place. He is responsible, looks so manly, rich, intelligent, gentleman, and very handsome. All the girls in town chase after him. He helped all women in their place, showing how helpful he is in reaching out his hand with this great extent. And then one day, he met a lady named Mountain Province. This relationship resulted into five beautiful children. They are Ifugao, the eldest, Benguet, Abra, and the twins Kalinga and Apayao.